Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm filming a brand new series and it's gonna be 50 episodes. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're gonna be making a s'mores and mug cake. This is from a recipe. It is from a book called Little Chefs. It's a dessert, guys. We're making it because I've seen it in the book and I really liked it when I tried it out. This is what we need to make this. I'm gonna be using some maple sugar, baking powder, salt, unsweetened cocoa powder, flour, graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate. I'm going to be using sea salt, milk. I'm going to be using Oatly, which is an oat brand, and I'm going to be using olive oil. These are the tools you need to make the s'mores mug cake: a whisk, a bowl, a small measuring cup, a microwave-safe mug, a quarter cup, a teaspoon, and a quarter teaspoon. And now we're going to put all the ingredients together. First, we're going to need to put a quarter cup of flour. Then we're going to be needing to put 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa. Then we're going to be needing to put a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're going to need to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now we're going to put a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna mix till combined. Now we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we need to add a third of milk. Now I'm adding a third of milk. It gotta be like battery, not too thick, not too watery, just perfect like that. Just like that. Then you wanna grab your mug. Mine is microwave safe, but it has to be microwave safe. Mine is also clear. You wanna bring all the edges down with your spatula. For sure, I didn't mention that we needed a spatula. Now we need to put it in our mug. Carefully. Carefully. My little chefs, remember, have a bunch help putting it into a mug. You don't want everything to spill. Guys, I also didn't mention that before we put it in the microwave, we need to cover it with a plate or paper. And put it for 50 seconds on high. Now you just wait. Guys, it's time to get it out. Now guys, get your hot glove and take off the cover. Wow, it smells so good. Look at that, guys. It looks like a sponge cake. Now guys, we want to put a quarter cup of marshmallows inside. Cover it back up and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Guys, the marshmallows didn't really do their thing and expand. How about I put it in for 10 more seconds? Start. Now we just want to look at it to see if it actually rises. Bad marshmallows. Finally, it kind of expanded. Look, you see it, guys? Now, guys, here are the last steps. Get chocolate. I'm using sea salt. Break 2 pieces off. Push it in. Then get some graham crackers. Wow, it looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me. Please hit the bell and select all, and please subscribe down there. Bye, guys. See you next time.